Now I don't know what more to go think about, what more to go for, but somewhere I'm not happy. How do I find happiness? This is the question many people have. And then I make them understand that, see, you have lost that happiness with the which you enjoyed as a child. When you just go and play with children, you be spontaneous and you do whatever you like to do, you're not able to do that now. So why don't you, at least in meditation, acknowledge your inner child, pamper that child, give a pat on its shoulder and say, you're fine, you're protected, now you're safe, don't worry about anything. Once you do that, you will see the change that comes over you. When your inner child becomes happy, you become peaceful. You are at peace, you are absolutely happy. And then whatever else you achieve in life, it makes more sense. You're able to enjoy it. That's what I explain to such people. And when they go back and practice this meditation, there is a class that I conduct for this, which is what I'm talking about now, inner child. So they attend the class, they understand the concept even more than what I have explained here. They learn that meditation, and then the audio is given, of course, so they listen to it often. And then people come back and give me such miraculous feedback. They say, I don't know what has happened to me, but now I'm always smiling, always laughing. Even my family members are asking me what happened to me. It's not that I've made more money than before. No, everything is the same. But somewhere inside, I'm feeling that bubbling happiness and contentment also. Contentment is there, that everything is going well. I can enjoy everything. And so earlier, there was a kind of numb feeling of guilt. A kind of shock was there, a kind of sadness was there. I could not pinpoint to anything, but something was there which was holding me back. All that has gone. This is the kind of feedback I've heard from people who have done the inner child class and practiced the meditation. So I think every human being needs to understand about her own inner child and recognize that child, acknowledge that child, give it a small pat, pamper that child, make that child feel protected and safe, make that child feel happy. And then you will see the happiness, the joy that you experience. Life becomes much better. So please do join our inner child class, understand this concept, practice the meditation, and enjoy life.